Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Shopify to your Amazon seller account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to use a Shopify application, which is the Shopify Marketplace Connect app. To do so, we will need just to go to the apps, channels, and sales. And from here, we need to click on the gear icon, go to Shopify App Store, and from there, we need just to install the marketplace. Search for Marketplace Connect and then make sure to install this one. Make sure that the developer is Shopify itself and click on install. By clicking on install, we will be able to connect with many marketplaces. So from here, I'm going to click on install and we will wait for the account, for the application to be installed successfully. And first, make sure that you already have an Amazon seller account, of course. So now, after the Marketplace Connect has been installed successfully, we will be able to start connecting our applications. So from here, you can find Etsy, you can find eBay, Walmart, and Amazon. I'm just going to click on Connect Account, and from here, you will need just to make sure that you read these informations and acknowledge and continue. Then you will need just to search by country or your marketplace. You can use the Amazon.com and then connect. After that, it will ask you to connect to your Amazon seller account. So you are in the Amazon Seller Central, add your account, and you will have your account that has been connected successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.